If you want to get serious about your current career trajectory in HR, or contemplating making a career shift, or graduating soon and looking to grow in HR, then these next 5 minutes will provide you with insight, questions, resources, and jobs to go after right now. Take control of your career and compensation right now. It's your 5-minute career hack. The Bureau of Labor Statistics predicts an additional 70,000 HR jobs will flood the industry by 2023. WGU listed these 6 signs to determine if a career in HR is for you. Number 1, you want a fast-growing career outlook. Number 2, you enjoy working with people. Number 3, you seek variety and growth. Number 4, you want to boost businesses and employees. 5, you can handle tricky situations with ease. And finally, number 6, you're a strategic and analytical thinker. Now, these are just a few quick questions to ask yourself if HR is right for you. Today, I'm going to take a deeper dive into a few of these signs by sharing some best practices from a career-long industry expert, Sharon Dean. If you want to get serious about your current career trajectory in HR, or contemplating making a career shift, or graduating soon and looking to grow in HR, then these next 5 minutes will provide you with insight, questions, resources, and jobs to go after right now. While you want to have passion for the industry you work in, you also want to be able to take care of yourself and your family. The average income for an HR professional in the United States is about $70,000 per year, according to Glassdoor and Indeed, even for entry-level positions. Those with a few years of experience who earn in the top 10% make more than $100,000 each year. Now, let's get to it. Number 1, you have to answer the question why. If you want to get into HR because you like working with people, that may be a good place to start, but it cannot be the single reason to jump into the HR field. With so many different disciplines within HR, from compliance, employee relations, analytics, systems, benefits, DEI, recruiter, training and development, workplace safety, talent management, audits, legal and compliance, risk management, all examples of different disciplines, Sharon underscored understanding what specifically about a particular discipline would bring you joy. If you enjoy working with people and building a team and assessing talent would bring you joy, you might consider a position in talent management, or more specifically in recruiting or an HR manager role that is responsible in part for the hiring process. Number 2, what if you have no experience in HR? Here are some approaches that you can take. You can gain relevant experience while in school or after graduation. Consider gaining experience through internships, part-time jobs, or volunteer work. Any experience that demonstrates your ability to work with people, handle conflict, and manage projects can be valuable when you're applying for HR positions. You can pursue additional education, a degree in human resources, business, psychology, legal, or related field can be helpful when you're looking for a job in HR. Obtaining relevant certifications such as the Professional in Human Resources, PHR, or a Society for Human Resource Management Certified Professional, SHRM for short, can increase your chances of being hired. You can develop relevant skills. HR professionals must possess strong communication, problem solving, and organizational skills. They must be able to handle sensitive information and maintain confidentiality. Developing these skills through your coursework, workshops, or online learning can help set you apart. LinkedIn Learning is a great resource for that. You can network like a pro. Attend career fairs and industry events to meet HR professionals and learn more about the industry. Joining professional organizations such as SHRM can also provide opportunities to network and access job postings. Whatever you do, just don't let what you perceive as a lack of experience stop you from pursuing the career you want. Number 3, if you have some experience in HR, it's time to apply for an HR position that brings you joy. Now, be sure to tailor your resume and cover letter to each job application, highlighting the skills and experiences that make you a strong candidate. Don't be shy. Also, don't be discouraged if it takes a little time and effort. Make an agreement with yourself to continue putting yourself out there until you land the position that brings you joy. This doesn't cost you anything but a little bit of time monthly for your dreams. It's so worth it. Number 4, where should you apply for jobs in HR? Whether you have specific experience or not, let's start with a few openings. Amazon has 71 openings in HR with a variety of positions across the world, and they recently posted an HR generalist intern position. Apple also has several openings in human resources as well. Marriott International has thousands of openings, and they are looking to hire you. You can go to LinkedIn, type in human resources in the search field at the top of the page, press enter, then click all filters, scroll down until you get to the job function section, check human resources, and 59,000 jobs are currently posted on LinkedIn. You can continue to filter on LinkedIn for specific titles, geography, on-site or remote, specific companies, and more. You can use this search for the industries we've covered as a part of this series for jobs in banking, education, and technology. There are other job boards like Indeed, Glassdoor, Monster, ZipRecruiter, and CareerBuilder. Go with what you know and what is easiest for you to shoot your shot consistently. The only thing standing in your way is a little bit of research to find out all the possibilities that await you in one of the most diverse fields that exist in absolutely every industry. Don't let fear or your current situation stand in the way of your dream job. And until next time, I love you.
Now, the 5-minute career hack, we call this hacking. Look at you. You just did it. And you don't have to stop here. Take one step every week and ensure that you are pouring into you and getting closer to your career goals. Yep, you see that button down there? Hit subscribe, but don't stop there, because you know what they say, sharing is caring. So take 5 and we'll see you next week.